Hey guys, yesterday I was making a montage and I noticed that there is a very big lack of good guides for making like simple effects in a gaming montage. So I decided to make one myself. We're going to be focusing on Vinci Resove, and we're going to be doing a glow effect, a zoom in effect, and a camera shake effect. You can then apply the knowledge you've learned to add any other effects you'd like. In the description will be linked the video that helped me learn this and a video that I made with these skills. So, okay, to begin with, import your clips, bring them down to the timeline, and skip to the frame where your bullet count goes down. So for Valorant, so like if I'm using the AWP, I want to look at that frame. You can change it to be the frame where the person dies, but for today it's going to be when the bullet goes down, and the skills are the same. So okay, to begin with, let's start with that zoom. So we go set Control Space in the Fusion tab. We're going to be using this a lot. So click Control Space and search up transform. So take this and go add. It gets added in the line here between the BDA in and the BDA out, and you can like take this lines and connect whatever you want into the thing. Now, we're going to be using this to specifically change how zoomed in it is, and you're going to want to add a keyframe, so click the little rhombus next to it on the frame when the bullet goes down, and bring the size up to something like 1.5, 1.75. It doesn't really matter, it's up to you. Then you want to go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames or something like that. It doesn't really matter, like, you can do like 3 frames, you can do 5 frames, you can do 7 frames, depending on how long you want the zoom to be. And bring it back down to 1. And add another keyframe. So you go back to the previous keyframe, go back 3 frames, 3, 4, 5, it all works, it doesn't matter. Bring it back to 1 and a keyframe gets added. So what we've done now is, we got this zoom, which by itself is not that much, but it is a beginning. To continue on with that, we can add some glow now. So same control space, glow, click the first one. You can add the other one, it doesn't really make a difference. So you see it just makes a bunch more glow. Personally, I leave the size as it is. I might increase the glow for a bit, increase the blend a tad, and you're again on the frame when the bullet leaves. And then you can go forward like 3 or 4 frames, however long you want your glow to be. Add a keyframe all the way down. Oh, I forgot to add a keyframe on the first thing. Did I? Yeah, so I didn't add a keyframe on this, so I'll increase the blend again. So add a keyframe on the frame when the bullet leaves, add a keyframe like 5 or 6 frames ahead, and then go back like 3 or 4 frames and add a keyframe here, and both the times you're going to turn the blend all the way down. Because the blend is basically the glow zone. You increase the blend, it's going to become glowier. Like so. But at the beginning and at the end it's going to be 0, and in the middle one is going to be a bit higher. So you can play around with that, see how you like it, and just go like that. So we just got like some random glow, which, I mean, if you make it longer it's going to stand out more, but to be honest, don't want my montage to look over edited. That's just a personal preference. And finally, let's add some camera shake. So go camera shake, add this, and simply go to the frame you want to be on. Again, the frame when the shot leaves. Reduce the X deviation, increase the Y deviation. You can fiddle around this, doesn't really matter. I like to increase the randomness, bring it up like 0.7. And the overall strength at a keyframe here, it has to be at 1 on the first keyframe, then go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keyframe and turn it down to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And just then back down to 0. So just with like some very simple edits that you can just practice and get really good at really quickly, we've got this, which is literally just like zoom, glow, some camera shake. Which, I mean, it's nothing special, but like if you sync into a beat drop, which, I mean, I'm guessing you know how to do, you just cut like as much as the difference is between the beat drop and the shot. You just sync it like that, and you can get a decent looking montage, just like so. So, yeah, that's it. If you got other effects that you'd like to learn, guys, hit me up, and I can try to learn them and teach them to you. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.